Hi y'all, I'm Ellen, a wellness-obsessed girl from Sweden working as a personal assistant in Arizona. Come along for a day in my life. On our way to work in the MILF Mobile. I'm making the best coffee ever for weight loss. Fairlife chocolate milk. A little bit, just a little bit. Fat-free Ready Whip. It's 5 calories. Look at this. So good. Laundry, coffee, TV. Let's do it. Get it. Peach Fresca is like God's gift. Racquetball. Are you ready for this or what? Made dinner, switched cars, and we're on our way home. Look at this yummy deliciousness. Ooh. That dinner